Hi, today we're going to look at problems that have unknowns in different terms. So what do I mean by that? Well, usually when we have an addition or a subtraction, we have a number and then we add another number and then we have the result. This would be the part, and this would be another part, and this would be the whole. That's for addition. For subtraction, you have a number minus another number, which gives you another number. This first number, which is the start, would be the whole. Then you take away a part, and then you would be left with another part. And this is for subtraction. It's good to know the part whole so that you can solve these problems. So let's begin solving. Here we have the problem that says Anna had 20 pencils. Grant gave her some more. Then Anna had 55 pencils. How many pencils did Grant give Anna? So the first thing is you need to read the problem. Second, you need to read the question again. How many pencils did Grant give Anna? So here I'm going to underline the question. I'm looking for pencils, and I know that it's something that we're looking for how much Grant gave Anna. That's also important. And here's an action word, the word give. So I'm going to box that one, and I'm going to continue. So now I noticed that I'm going to go back to the first sentence. It says Anna had 20 pencils. Okay, so that's my first data. Anna has 20 pencils. Second sentence says Grant gave her some more. So that means now she's getting some more, which is an addition. But it doesn't tell you how much. You see this word right here? That tells you that there's supposed to be a number, but they're not really telling you how much that number is. So this is important, right? The 20, the word some, because we don't know. And then now let's read the third sentence. Then Anna had 55 pencils. So in this word some, that's where I need to find the problem. And now Anna had 55 pencils, which is like that. So that means that I am missing in this addition problem, if I look over here, I am missing this part right here, which is which is my part that I'm missing. 55 represents my whole, and this represents, so I could label here, this is a part, this is a part, and this is a whole. Whenever I want to find a part, if you look here, to find a part, I have to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 55 minus 20. I can do it that way. That would be my answer. Or I can do it in an algorithm form, which would be 5 and 3. I could also draw a picture doing tens and ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take away 20. I don't need to take away anything here. This stays the same. And then 2 20s from here. That gives me 3. So I've showed you through 2 ways of how to solve that one. Let's go to the next one. To the next one, it says Shane had some sticks. He gave some of them to Ben. Now Shane has 30 sticks. How many sticks did Shane have at first? So now let's see. Well, first I'm going to read the question. How many sticks did Shane have at first? So I'm looking at the verb here, And this at first is very important also. Okay, so now let's go back to the first sentence. Shane had some sticks. Does it tell me how many sticks did he have? No, but here's the word some again. So that means that this sum represents a number. I just don't know how much right now. He gave 10 of them away. That means that gave is my action word right here. How many did he give? He gave 10 of them to Ben. Okay. So now Shane has 30. Shane has 30 sticks. That means that I do not have the beginning. So when I look at my sentence here, I see that I'm doing a subtraction, and what am I missing? I'm missing the first one. I already know these two, which is the part and another part. Well, I'm looking for the whole. So in order for me to find the whole, I have to add these two parts, you see? So now I'm going to add. I can use it in an algorithm way, which would be easy. 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. I can also show it using a picture. So I have 3 and 1, no tens, and just 40 right there. So my answer is 40. Right? Okay, last one. It says there were 45 ducks on the lake. Some of them flew away. Now there are 23 ducks on the lake. How many ducks flew away? Well, first I'm going to look at the question. How many ducks flew away? Away is already kind of cluing me that I'm going to subtract something. But we don't know how much. Okay, so it has to deal with the subtraction maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Let's start with the first sentence. There were 45 ducks on a lake. So I'm going to write my 45. Some of them flew away. Here's what I suspected. Flew away. Some. Does it tell me how many? No, it's just telling me that they left. And if I'm picturing that, and if I'm standing in front of the lake and I'm watching some ducks fly away, that is a subtraction, right? It doesn't tell me how much. Here's the word some. So now what do I do? Here's my next sentence. Go to my next sentence. Now there are 23 ducks on the lake. Now is also meaning like equal to, and then 23 are left on the lake. So this is a subtraction sentence. So I'm going to go with the subtraction. What am I looking for? I have the beginning part, which is how many were at the beginning. But now I need the change, or what's in the middle. And that's a part. And when I'm looking for a part, I have to subtract. This is what it tells me. So I'm going to subtract 45 minus 23 equals, this is going to be 2 and 2. I can show it with my tens and ones. 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and I have to subtract 23, so I'm going to do the 3 first. 1, 2, 3. I'm left with 2, and then the 2. 1, 2, and I'm left with 2, and my answer is 42. Okay, well, this is how to solve a word problem where the unknowns are in any term. As you see, some are in the change, some are in the beginning or in the start, and this one is also in the change, but some of them could be addition, some of them can be subtraction. I hope you liked this lesson, and I hope you learned how to do this. Click on subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.